This new year taught us how important that is.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Meow!
The New Year season feels quiet and gentle today.
The western is burning.
Yes, the busy days are ending, but the warmth stays.
Yes.
I feel peaceful when the house is quiet like this. I feel a little sleepy, but my heart feels good.
That feeling means you feel safe and relaxed.
Safe feelings help us remember happy moments.
I remember the snow and the bright lights outside. I remember walking and holding hands together.
Those memories are very special for our family.
They will stay in our hearts for a long time.
I feel different now than before the new year. I feel bigger inside, but still calm.
Growing often feels quiet and slow like this.
But that kind of growth is very strong.
I like growing slowly with my family. I like learning when everyone is together.
Learning together makes everything feel safe.
Safe learning helps confidence grow naturally.
I feel more confident speaking English now. I feel less afraid to try new words.
Hearing that makes me very proud.
You both worked hard this season.
Even when learning felt difficult sometimes. Even when I wanted to stop and rest.
Resting is okay, but trying again matters.
Trying again shows real strength.
I learned many English words this new year. I learned how to listen more carefully.
Learning is not only about words.
It is also about patience and feelings.
I feel more patient now than before. I feel calmer when we talk slowly.
Calm minds help learning feel easier.
Calm hearts help memories stay longer.
I like these quiet family moments. I like slow talking at home.
Slow talking helps everyone understand better.
Understanding helps us feel closer.
I feel connected to all of you. I feel close and safe here.
Oh, baby. Family connection is the best gift.
This new year taught us how important that is.
When I look around, I remember how this journey began.
In freeing us on Access, hi. Yes, it feels like we started just yesterday.
At first, I felt shy to speak English. I felt shy to listen and understand.
That feeling is very normal for beginners.
Everyone starts with small steps.
I remember speaking very slowly at first.
I remember not understanding many words.
And now look at how far you came.
You speak and listen with more confidence.
I am not afraid of mistakes anymore. I know mistakes help me learn.
That is a very important lesson.
Mistakes are teachers, not enemies.
When I make mistakes, I feel okay now. I feel okay because you wait for me.
Waiting is part of teaching with love.
Love makes learning safe.
Learning with stories helped me a lot.
Learning with funny moments helped me listen.
Stories make language feel alive.
I hate that. They connect words with feelings.
I feel brave speaking English now. I feel brave asking questions now.
Hey! That makes my heart very full.
Watching you grow is a gift.
I remember when words felt hard. I remember when listening felt tiring.
Hard moments help us grow stronger.
Growth often feels slow and quiet.
I like learning at my own speed. I like learning without pressure.
Pressure can stop learning. Pressure can stop learning.
Patience opens the door to progress.
I feel safe learning with family. I feel safe making mistakes here.
Hi, Gwen. Safety is the best teacher. Bess.
Safe learners become confident learners.
I feel proud of our journey. I feel happy we learned together.
Learning together makes memories stronger.
These memories will guide you forward.
I want to keep learning after this season. I want more stories after New Year.
We will continue this journey together.
Ho! Learning does not end with one season.
The day feels slow and peaceful as the season ends.
Yes, this New Year season is coming to a gentle close.
I feel calm when the light becomes soft like this. I feel quiet inside and a little sleepy.
Quiet moments help us think and feel deeply.
They help us understand what really matters.
I see our decorations and remember happy days.
I remember laughing and learning together. Those moments are gifts we carry forward.
They shape how we are. They shape how we grow and learn.
I feel proud of how much I learned. I feel proud because I tried my best.
Being proud of effort is very important.
Effort matters more and average effort than being perfect.
I am not afraid of mistakes anymore. I know mistakes help me learn.
That lesson will stay with you for life.
Learning never ends. It only changes its shape.
Stories help me understand words better. Stories helped me enjoy listening.
Stories connect language with feelings.
Feelings make learning meaningful.
I like learning when it feels kind. I like learning when it feels safe.
Safe learning builds strong confidence.
Confidence helps children face new challenges.
I feel ready for new days now. ready for new stories.
New days bring new chances to learn.
And new chances to grow gently.
I want to keep learning English slowly. I want to keep listening and trying.
We will keep learning together.
One step at a time.
Learning together feels easier. Learning together feels fun.
That is why family learning is special.
Family gives learning a strong foundation.
I feel thankful for this season. I feel happy we shared this time.
We are thankful you joined us too.
Thank you for learning English with our family. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this season. This New Year's story may end here. But your learning journey continues every day.
Keep learning at your own pace.
Keep believing in yourself. La, la, la. Keep smiling and trying.
Please stay with us for future stories. Subscribe to support our English learning channel.
We will bring more warm, simple stories for beginners. Learn slowly, feel safe, and enjoy English with us.
Goodbye, thank you, and see you again soon.